Ukraine's drone army keeps on striking Russia's supply chain, this time intercepting a Kamaz supply truck while on the road, striking the truck head-on, but hits a bit high. But as another FPV drone came to finish off the vehicle, the damage could be seen from the first strike. The roof was partially blown off, with damage of the cargo space, but as the drone circles around, it cleverly strikes the truck's fuel tank to cause it to burn up. Having a third drone to verify that the truck is completely destroyed, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.